how to fix Google Maps arrow wrong direction. In this video, guys, I will show you the correct way how to fix this. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and first go and search for settings of your phone, then search for apps option. Open apps option when you found it like that, and after this you can now go to maps. Open maps when you find it. Where is maps, guys? Here. Then what's next? You have to go now to storage option, open it like this and click on clear data, then click OK and go back. Click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to permissions and go now to locations or physical activity, and you have to allow this like this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.